Hello everybody. Hey, here's my latest piece. It's the last, I think, in my series of florals. They're nettles. Really amazing curvy nettle here. I think one of the most impressive single fusions I've made. I've had a few hiccups along the way with this one. It was a really tricky one. I finished it, but it nearly finished me, I tell you. The first bird I made was this beautiful green bird, but of course, when he's in situ, you can't see him. So I decided I needed a bullfinch for the complementary red against the green, and he was too serious, he needed cheering up. So the third time lucky, there he is, Mr. Bullfinch, looking good. The Marini are these ones in clusters, and then I decided to make these tiny ones to create almost a constellation in the dark. I knew I wanted this to be a really dark piece, probably the darkest I've ever made. And yet these shine out like little stars. Somebody thought these were pearls. They're not, they're my Marini. Anyway, I think it was worth the struggle. I think it's my best piece ever. I know I always say, that. I've got to stop saying that, but I think it's true. And as usual, I've written an accompanying verse, which goes like this. It's really hard to settle when you're surrounded by nettles. Those needles can really pinch, even Mr. Bullfinch.